Got one. Finally. Finally, man. Man, that took a minute. Finally got one though. That's what's up. Alright. We're gonna release it real quick. This one. Just another little guy. That one didn't hook him. Oh, poor little guy. Got him in the eyeball. Oh, I got him in like barely in the eye socket. That was close. This is the guy that I saw swimming over there on the shore. Sneaky little guy. Number 2. Come on, you got this, little home. Swim away. You got this. Come here. There we go. Good job. Number 2. Hello guys. How we doing today? I'm just doing a little bit of dock fishing for some trout. Just chilling, enjoying the sunny day. It gets cloudy here and then it gets a little cold, but overall it's a pretty chill day, man. Just, you know, catch some fish. That's about it. There's one. Number 3. Let's bring it in. Ooh, fighter. Number 3 right here. I think I figured out what they want. That took me a minute, but it's working so far. Hey, is this the same fish? I think I already caught this fish. Oh no, never mind. Alrighty, number 3. Let's go. Gangster. So I think I figured out what they want. What I've been doing is I've been letting it drop all the way to the bottom. And then as soon as it drops, I just pick it up and start really in like medium speed, not too fast. Let's try it again. And if my theory is correct, I should catch another one. There's one. Oh, he hit it good. I was not expecting this guy. He smacked it. Little guy. This guy came up and just smacked it. Number 4. Come on. There we go. Trout number 4. Bye-bye. Good to go, homeboy. Oh. Got him. Number 5, 6. Alrighty, that's what I'm talking about. Look how I got him too. Could have easily come off. Number 6. There's one. What is it, trout? Oh, I have trout. I wasn't paying attention. This guy was just taking my line. Oh, dang. This guy's strong. Go, chill out, chill out, chill out. Oh wow, he's kind of different. He's got like a browner color to him. Hardly any spots on him, like the ones I've been catching. It's weird. Number 8. That was quick too. As soon as I didn't even last that long in the water, and I already had a bite on that one. That's how we do it. Oh, come on. I don't know. I think so. Oh, this guy's kind of chunky. I'm just casting far out. Yeah. Letting it drop all the way to the bottom. Come on, little guy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Already lost track of how many I caught. It's the biggest one so far. That's a big old flip flop. Oh man, that was fun. Gotta go to the bathroom. Man, it is cold. That's gonna be it for today, guys. That was actually pretty fun. I wasn't really planning on making a video today. I was just gonna relax and fish a little bit, enjoy the sun, but you know, decided to make a video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And like always, see you guys next time. Peace out.